Hello. Phoebus,
Hello,
happy
Andy.
birthday, my boy.
Thank you very much.
May you make great progress and be happy.
Thank you very much. But where are my
Be
classmates?
patient, my little one. They'll come.
What do you mean they couldn't play, Mrs. Despina? They are children, they would find a way. Of course not. Why would he get hurt? He doesn't need any of you, he has us.
Mr. Rabros, do you know why Angelos didn't come today?
How should I know, my little prince?
May I come in?
Come in, Phoebus. What's going on? Did someone bother you?
No, not at all. I just want to ask you why Angelos didn't come to school today.
Don't worry, my boy. Angelos was hospitalized yesterday for a minor appendectomy.
Oh, thank you very much. I want you to call Angelos' mom because something very serious happened.
What happened, my little Phoebus?
He was in hospital and I want to visit him.
Absolutely not.
But why?
You have no reason to
Yes,
go near him.
But he's my best friend.
I said no. Here you go, brother Ross.
Thank you, sister. Oh my god, how do you always make coffee so good? It's the best in town, maybe the whole country.
Exaggerations. I'll bring the sweets though I told you to stop bringing.
I'm Prolmos. Do you know that gods of Olympus were eating ambrosia and drank nectar?
Of course, everyone knows the secret to immortality. Ancient you a thing or two.
Do you know what they were made of?
Yes. Why the sudden interest at the 12 gods of Olympus?
I was inspired by the game we played. Could you tell me, please?
Yes, historians believe that ambrosia was made out of honey
And nectar.
by royal jelly.
Hi. Good evening. Is Phoebus home?
Come on in, Mary.
Thank you.
Hello, Mary.
Hello. Today I'm going to beat you. I read 10 pages of Encyclopedia.
Mary, forget about that. I want to tell you something.
What happened? Oh, you didn't do well at math test. Don't worry, Phoebus. Everything is going to be just fine. That's what my dad says to me.
No, it's something way different. It's something serious.
Don't tell me you lost my board game. I will not stand it.
Stop joking. It's something about Angelos.
Angelos, what happened?
He was hospitalized and I want to find a way to visit him. But my mom doesn't let me.
And what can I do about it? His mom doesn't like me at all, and I have talked to him only once. What, I can go by myself?
The seeds are the core of the vitamins. That's why I never remove them.
Thank you, Mom. Here you go.
Thank you. So, did you think about it?
I don't know, Phoebus. It's too dangerous and risky.
Come on. You're just gonna come after school and ask my mom if we can go out. She's gonna start saying that maybe a car can hit you or the wheelchair is too heavy for you. But you're just gonna stay calm and ask her if we can go to the park, which we don't have to cross a road.
Okay, deal.
Hello.
Hello. Can I take Phoebus, please, for a little walk?
That's a great thought, dear, but it's difficult because it could be dangerous with the wheelchair.
No, we will be very careful and we will not cross any road. Please, trust me.
Fine. What can I do?
Thank you.
Hello.
Stop, bonjour, children. You didn't expect me. Surprise.
Never loved me, that godless man. I stood by him at every event he dragged me to, and this is how he repays me by loving another? Très tragique.
Calm down, Zana. Tell me clearly what
Paul
happened.
left me. He ran off with a young French actress. My God, what a shame.
Mom, can Anzana take us to the park?
Yes, my love, if your aunt agrees.
And?
Of course, my boy, I need some fresh air myself. I will never forgive him. Jamais, jamais. I can't believe he did this to me.
Angelos, are you okay?
Oh my God, why did you wander off? Oh, mon Dieu.
Angelos, are you okay? Angelos! Grandpa, please, call Angelos' mom.
Fine, Phoebus, let's call.
Hello.
Miss Despina, could I speak with Angelos, please?
Who is this child?
I'm his classmate Phoebus. Please, don't say no.
Can you put your mother on, please?
She is not home right now.
Is there another adult that I could talk to?
Yes, my grandma is here.
Good evening, dear.
Good evening. My son's condition isn't good. It's hard for me to talk to, but things are very bad. My son had acute appendicitis, and that cursed thing that's his spine. And
Forgive us, my dear. We didn't know. All the best to you.
What happened, Grandma? What?
My child, your friend is going through a very difficult time. I don't know how or if you can help him.
what happened to him, Madame Elko?
The boy became paralyzed. The vertebra connecting to his face
What?
and his legs is no longer working.
Impossible.
So there's nothing you can do for him.
Hello!
My best friend!
Please let me forget how to speak.
Hi, Phoebus! Look what I've got here. It's my new junior high grammar book. But, will you tutor me? You know so much more than I do.
Yes, of course.
My boy, will you forgive me?
For what?
For back then, adults take too long to realize the mistakes.
It's never too late.
I come in! Bravo, mon amour. Your dream came true. Now for the other one, I've already spoken to the doctor. On Monday, it will happen.
Zana, you don't know what good you're doing for both of them. My boy, I have to tell you something, but first I need to call Angelos and his mother. Despina, you read an answer.
Yes, I've been waiting for so long.
My children, Aunt Sana decided to pay for your surgery with the best doctor in the world. We just want to know how you're feeling about it.
Mary, wake up. Are you the doctor of Angelos and Phoebus?
Can we go inside?
Yeah, of course, come on.
Phoebus, are you okay?
Would you take us?
Angelos?
Okay, so gentlemen, what do you say? What card have you not forward?
He's walking.
Oh my god! And what about Angelos? And you're the one? You want to do what you tried to do? That's right. Come on, give me your phone.
Sorry, doctor, but I can't move my leg.
It's okay. Mary, wake up. Are you the doctor of Phoebus or Angelos?
Yeah, what happened? Can we go inside? Yeah, of course. Come on. Guys!
Are you
Are you
okay?
okay?
Phoebus, Angelos?
Okay, so it's time to start taking a test. Are you ready to go?
He's walking.
Now finish. Oh my god!
After all these years.
Okay, come on, sit down. Bravo, okay. And now here I do. Let's go. Cartoon.
He's walking.
I'm so proud of you.
Phoebus, it's time for us to take action.
Angelos, you are scaring me.
I think it's time we started Operation Winged Sandals so that we can help every child with mobility challenges.